Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. We're outside, so that means we're grilling. And today we're going to try something we have never ever tried before. We're going to grill some fish, but we're not going to use foil and we're not going to use a grilling pan. We're going to do it right on the grate. A buddy of mine told me it's the best way to do it, told me how to do it. So we're going to try his technique and we're going to get it grilled up. So got the grill warming up, and oh, we're cooking flounder. I had some more flounder left over, so that's what we're cooking. And we're going to do some asparagus too. So y'all sit back, relax, and hang out, and I'll get to grilling. Alright y'all, I've already put the asparagus on. It takes a little while longer to cook. So now we're gonna get our fish on. And first things first, what he told me to do is trying to get I got a towel over here. He said take a paper towel, drench it in olive oil, rub your grates down. So I did that. Now just take your sorry, got everything in a mess here. Now so just take your fish and lay it out on the grate. We got this on low, so alright. Now he said season it with whatever you want, so we're going to just use some seafood seasoning. Old Bay, basically. This is the generic brand of that. And you guys know that I just use olive oil and garlic powder and onion powder on the asparagus. So now we just wait. I'm gonna kind of flip my asparagus. You guys catch that? One escaped, so it'll be all right. Another one back there trying to escape, but we'll get her. All right. So, all right. Now we just wait. So he said let it cook for a little while on one side, flip her over once, and should be done. So, all right. We'll bring you back. Alright y'all, let's check on our fish. So, oh, looks like it's cooking up nicely. So let's see if we can get these things flipped over. Oh, they're sticking a little bit. He must have a better grill than me. So alright, see if we can flip these ones over here. Oh, that one ripped because it's stuck, but at least we know it's cooking all the way through, right? Alright, well, not pretty, but it flipped over, so put a little more seasoning on these. And kind of see if we can get them moved around on the grill here a little bit. There we go. And let's flip our asparagus once more. Oh yeah, it's getting good and tender. Ah, we lost another one, y'all. So it'll be all right. All right, let's let this other side cook here, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, y'all, we're gonna do our taste test right off the grill because we're working out in the shop today, and I'm not gonna take the time to go in the house and sit down and eat and everything. We're just gonna eat off one of the hoods of the tractors and get back at it. So let's flip around here and we'll get a piece of fish off and some asparagus. So, all right, y'all, we're gonna go for this little piece right there. It's kind of stuck to the grate, but it'll be good enough for the taste test. And we're gonna grab a couple of asparagus here, throw them on a little plate, and we'll do our taste test. So, all right, let's get it flipped around here and we'll do a taste test. All right, y'all, time for the taste test. We're just gonna use our fingers. So we got our, well, let's not use our fingers, you know, that's kind of rude. So, all right, now we got our fish on the grill here. So you guys see that? Oh yeah. Y'all, that's tasty. That's real tasty. Of course, let's do our asparagus now. So, that's really good, y'all. So, all right, close up. So, there you have it, y'all. I'm shutting the grill off because they're done. So, all right, y'all, there you have it. Grilled salmon on the, or grilled salmon, grilled flounder and asparagus. So, you know, just because you're working out in the shop and you're outdoors doesn't mean you can't eat good, and this is pretty dang good. So, all right, we're gonna get back to work. If you would, go down there and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment what you guys thought about this, and tell me if it's a good garage meal. I think we'll make it again. So, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bear appetit.